A country with a struggling economy faces widespread discussions of bankruptcy. It is forced to plead for financial support from everywhere.
A report by Reuters citing an Indian government source suggesting New Delhi has asked the International Monetary Fund to review loans disbursed to Islamabad.
The faces of its elders have become a source of entertainment, not just for outsiders, but for its own people as well, and whose poor people and working class have been forced to go to foreign lands for livelihood but banned from entering there, and who is taunted by its neighbours and strangers day and night for being left behind in its neighbourhood.
Upon getting independence in 1947, India and Pakistan faced economic challenges due to underinvestment and neglect from British colonial rule. As both countries experienced significant growth, a shift occurred in the 1990s, with India surpassing Pakistan and becoming the world's third largest economy by purchasing power.
And whose elders have become suspicious for everyone, small or big. Even his enemies, seeing his weaknesses, started weighing their options to wipe him out. When the people living here not wish that God would make some arrangement for them to leave this place, well, the enemy of this country, who believes it is his duty day and night to look for an opportunity to eliminate it, let this chance slip away. In such circumstances, you and I would be thinking that if not today, then tomorrow everything is going to end. But not the soldiers of Allah who fly high. They are born for such situations. Therefore, in this chaotic situation, a mujahid along with some of his companions, wearing shroud on his head, emerges with determination and steely thinking. Despite the criticism being done at him and his companions from all sides, but these things do not matter for strong faith. This mujahid and his companions entered the field reciting these poems. तू समझता है हवादिस है सताने के लिए, ये हुआ करते हैं जाहिर आजमाने के लिए. You think that accidents are meant to torment you, but they are to test you. तुम भी इबाद मुखालिफ से न घबराए वक़ाब, ये तो चलती है तुझे ऊंचा उड़ाने के लिए. Don't be afraid of this strong wind, eagle. It flies to fly you high. कामयाबी की हुआ करती है नाकामी दलील, रंज आते हैं तुझे राहत दिलाने के लिए. Failure is the proof of success. Suffering comes to give you comfort. The mujahid I am talking about is Sayyid Asim Munir and his associates, Pak Army and Pakistan Air Force. You have seen how India tried to pressurize Pakistan based on lies and fabrication, and its lies were exposed on the day when Pakistan told the international community that they should interrogate this incident, and if Pakistan were involved in it, then whatever punishment they choose, we would accept it with all our hearts. But India, standing on lies, didn't accept it. It was very proud of its economy, its defense, the ignorance and extremism of its people, and it was also satisfied with the fact that just as they were expert in fooling their own people by telling them lies and deceit, perhaps they will be able to tame the international community as well. But they didn't know that Asim Munir and his armies were waiting for them